हाय, गुड इवनिंग। सो अगेन आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं सर्कल्स। तो फर्स्ट JEE की बात कर लेते हैं मेंस में। तो एवरी ईयर मेंस में एटलीस्ट 1 क्वेश्चंस आते ही हैं सर्कल से ना, ये सारे सेट में होता है। तो इट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। स्ट्रेट लाइन कंप्लीट हो गया। तो सर टफनेस लेवल पे बात करते हैं। तो सर्कल आई थिंक कि मीडियम लेवल पे होता है। कंप्लीट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री ईजी टू मीडियम्स होता है, ईजी टू मीडियम लेवल पे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। बट कंप्लीट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री मैं क्लास में बोलता हूँ, यहाँ पे भी बोल रहा हूँ कि इट नीड रिवीजन, इट नीड प्रैक्टिस मोर देन अदर पार्ट ऑफ द मैथमेटिक्स। यहाँ पे ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है, चीज़ें याद रखनी पड़ती है। याद कैसे होगा सर? प्रैक्टिस करके, ठीक है। उसके अलावा कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है। लेकिन अगर कर लोगे तो चीज़ें ईजी होंगी, ईजिली आंसर फाइंड आउट कर लोगे। बस हाँ, टाइम थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लग सकता है क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम्स कभी कभी लेंदी होते हैं। तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ओवरऑल इट इज़ ईजी टू मीडियम। तो अगेन we will do 25 question in total, out of which 20 is going to be multiple choice and 5 is going to be integer answer based question. So let's move to the first question. Circle, gola, gola, gola. Okay, let's see. It is saying कि the circle intersect the line. So first let me draw a circle. I hope okay. Animated cow, no ink, find. Okay, so if this is a circle and let me draw a line, and it is saying कि it intersect the line. So if it intersect the line, so something like this case it is going to happen, yes or no? Okay, so if this is the circle, so we know that it should have a center, कहीं पे तो होगा center, and the coordinate of center is going to be, if I write down this on this side, standard form of the circle, so it is going to be x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equals to 0. It means the coefficient of x is in this case minus 4, and we know that is going to be 2z. So it means the center is going to be minus z comma minus f by comparison. So it is going to minus this side, so it is going to plus 2 comma 4, yes or no? Okay sir. And radius of the circle, so radius r, we know radius of the circle is going to be r equals to root over z square plus f square. In this case z is 2, so its square is 4 and 4 square is 16. Now if I bring this side, so minus 5, so value of c becomes minus 5, so it is going to minus of minus 5. So I think it is going to be square root of 25, which will give us 25 of square root, that is 5. So value of radius becomes 5. So the equation of line, it is given. So it is saying it is intersecting this as a 2 distinct point, as we can see in the graph. So this line, it is represented by 3x minus 4y equals to m. So just think about it. If this line intersects something like this, and if I draw a perpendicular on this line, so you know this complete length is going to be r, radius of the circle, yes or no? This complete length is going to be radius of circle. And in second case, just think about something like, if I draw a perpendicular on this line, so this length and this radius, which one is going to be greater? Of course radius is going to be the greater. So it from this I can say ki r, whatever it should be greater than the length of this line from the center of the circle, So we remember the formula, na? This perpendicular distance of a point from the line. So formula was, if equation of line is ax plus by plus c, and the points are x1 comma y1, then the perpendicular distance between the point and line was mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root over a square plus b square. So by using that formula, I can say this is the equation of line. So in place of x we'll put 2. So it is going to be 3 into 2 minus 4 into mod of y means 4, minus n, everything is going to be inside mod, divided by root over a square that is 3 square, that is 9, and plus b square 16. So I think from here we know ki value of r, that is 5. So 5 is greater or equals to, if I simplify 3 to the 6 and minus 16, so it is going to be minus of 6 minus 16 minus 10 minus m divided by roots 25, that is again 5. So from here we can see ki mod of m plus 10, 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 it is going to be less than 25, yes or no? So if it is less than 25, mod of a number is less than 25, it means this complete number, which complete number sir, m plus 10, m plus 10, it should be in between 25 to minus 25, yes or no? For example, mod of x is less than 5, it means ki x should be less than 5 on the positive side, and also on the negative side too, it should be greater than minus 5. Okay, so if I bring this basically if I subtract 10 to all, so 25 minus 10 is going to be minus 35, and greater than m, and which is going to be 25 minus 10, that is going to be 15. So from I think we get the value of m, we get the value of m, which is minus 35 to 15. So which option is the correct? Option number second. We can observe option number second is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the another question. La 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 la. Okay, so I think you have read the question. Let's try to read it again and try to understand what it is saying. It is saying the equation of circle passing through the point 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 having the smallest radius. I think it is one of the very easy questions. So it is saying ki circle which is passing through the points 1 comma 0, suppose this is 1 comma 0 point A, and another point is 0 comma 1, for example point B is 0 comma 1. So if a circle which is passing through this point, these 2 points, and it should have smallest radius, so in that case this line is going to be the diameter of that circle, this line is going to be diameter of that circle. So if it is diameter of that circle, so I can do something like, I hope, I wish, चलो वही नहीं बना, बन जाओ, ओ नहीं बन रहा है, चलो, recognition is not working. Is this okay? Anyway, no, recognition is not working. Oh, let me try draw it again. Let me use another color. So if this would be the radius, smallest radius, so it means they are going to the end points of diameter, they are going to be end points of diameter, just do not worry. Okay, yeah, good. Let's see. So it means let me just say this point is going to be A and this point is going to be the B. Okay sir, now what? Now I think it is very simple. If this becomes the end of the diameter, so we know the formula of the circle in the diametric form, diametric end point form. What was the formula? That was x minus x1 into y x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. So in this case we know it is going to be x minus x1, in this case that is 1, into x minus x2, x minus x2 is 0, x2 is 0, so it means ki x minus 0 is still x, plus y minus y1, in that case y1 is 0, and into y minus y2 means y minus 1 equals to 0. Now this is the equation of circle, and it is saying, so I think we should just simplify. So it is going to be x square minus x plus y square minus y. equals to 0. So let me compare. So I think ki option 4 it is matching. Option 4 is matching. So option 4 is going to be the correct answer. तो ये तो easy था. चलो अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. The circle passing through 1 comma minus 2 and touching the axis of x. Okay sir. Axis of x. Okay, so let me make the coordinate axis. This is the coordinate axis. Okay, so it is saying, suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay sir, and it is saying it is passing through 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2, I think it is going to be touching the axis of x at 3 comma 0. So if it is touches the axis at 3 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 2, so I think it is going to be somewhere here. 1 comma minus 2, so it is going to be something like this. Yes. Okay, touching the x-axis at this point, something like this. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so let me call this point as a एक क्या हो गया, this point as 1 comma minus 2, something like this. Okay sir, I think is it visible? So I don't know why it is happening still. ठीक. Okay, and touching the axis of x at 3 comma 0. So if it is touching the axis of x at this, so I think its center is going to be 3. Now if I draw the perpendicular, so it is on touching, so it means ki the perpendicular line which passed through the center of the circle is going to parallel to y-axis. It means ki x coordinate of the center is going to be the same. So I assume the x coordinate the coordinate of the center is 3 comma k. For example 3 comma k. So I think it is very simple. The circle passing through and touching the axis also passes through the point. So we can find out the equation of circle. If this distance is k, so I know we have found out its radius, and that radius is going to be k. That radius is going to be k. So I can use the distance formula between these 2 points. So by using distance formula, we can say it is going to be root over 3 minus 1 whole square. So 3 minus 1 whole square plus k minus minus 2 means k plus 2 whole square. K plus 2 whole square, and it is going to equals to the radius, and in this case radius is k. Mod of k, let me see, we don't know about the sign of k. So again we'll square both sides. So it is going to be 3 minus 1, that is 2 square, that is 4, plus square root, squaring removed. So it is going to be k square plus 4 plus 4 of k equals to k square. So I think k square they will cancel each other, and value of k from here will get minus 2. Value of k becomes minus 2. If value of k becomes minus 2, I think it is very simple. Then the coordinate of the center is going to be 3 comma minus 2, and radius of the circle is going to be 2. Okay, so let's see. So we can write down the equation of this circle, that is going to be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 means plus 2 whole square equals to r square. In this case radius is 3, so it is going to be 9. It is radius is 2, so it is going to be 4, and to check which option is correct, we should simply put the values and try to check. So let's start from the this side. So if I put -3, I don't think it is going to be 4, so it will be greater. So if I put the second option -2 plus 1, 1 is square, and -3, so I think again it is going to be 9. 5 minus 2 and -2 plus 2. So I think option 3 is going to be the correct answer. 5 minus 3 is 2 square 4, and -2 plus 2 is 0. So we'll get the 4. So option 3 become the correct answer. So in this kind of question you can check something like this ना, ऐसे check कर सकते हैं. चलो अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. It is saying let's see with the circle with the center 1 comma 1 and the radius equals to 1. Let's see be a circle with the center 1 comma 1 and radius of 1. क्या यार, अब तो बंदा चलो भाई, one more try, and if it works then it works, otherwise चलो काम कर रहा है. Okay, so it is saying let's see with the circle with the center 1 comma 1. So suppose its center is going to be 1 comma 1 and radius 1, radius is 1, radius is 1, and if t is the circle centered as 0 comma y passing through the origin, this circle is C, and let t be the another circle, t be another circle, ठीक है भाई, दूसरा circle, t be another circle, another circle centered at 0 comma y, no, its center is 0 comma y passing through origin, and it is passes through origin, origin is 1 point. So from here if it is passing through origin we can see its radius is going to be y. Okay, and touching the circle C externally, the radius of t. So it is, I think, fairly simple. If I try to join, if we try to join the center of this circle to the center of this circle, center of this circle to center of this circle, so this distance is going to be, by using distance formula, it should be 1 minus 0 whole square, that is 1 square, plus y minus 1 whole square, which is going to be this distance is y and its radius is 1, so it becomes y plus 1 whole square, because we have squared on the both side. So it is going to be 1 square is 1 plus y minus 1 whole square is going to be y square minus 2y plus 1, and equals to, in this case it is going to be y square plus 2y plus 1. So I think is something is going to be cancel each other. So if I bring this 2y this side, so it is going to be 4y equals to 1, 4y equals to 1. It means value of y is going to be 1 by 4, value of y becomes 1 by 4. Then the radius of circle t is equals to the radius of y. It means the radius of circle t is going to be 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 is the second answer. It means second answer is the correct answer. Let's move to the question number 5. Okay, so whenever we try to find out the number of common tangent, so in these kind of question, first काम है क्या करो कि सर्कल ड्रा किया करो, ट्राई किया करो कि आइडेंटिफाई करें, इज द सर्कल इंटरसेक्टिंग, इज द सर्कल टचिंग, और इज द सर्कल फार अपार्ट. ओनली ऑन बेसिस ऑफ दैट वी कैन डिस्कस कि हाउ मेनी टेंजेंट्स वी विल गेट, how many tangents we will get. The first circle, for example, if I try to draw the first circle, one circle something like this, second circle something like this, ये क्या हो गया, चलो, okay, oh good. So if I say ki the center of this circle from the first equation, center of the circle first equation, so that is going to be 2 comma 3, yes or no? Now minus g comma minus f, and in case g, value of g is minus 2 and value of f is minus 3, half of the coefficient of y, half of the coefficient of x, and similarly from here center is going to be minus 3 comma minus 9. Okay sir, next what? Next again we'll try to find out radius. So radius of the first circle is going to be root over f square, that is minus 2 square, that is 4, plus g square, that is 9, 3 square 9, and minus of c. So minus c, value of c is minus 12, so minus minus c is going to be plus 12. So I think the value of r1 becomes 9 plus 4, that is 13, plus 12, that is 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So radius of the first circle is going to be 5. Similarly in case of the second circle, so in case of the second circle I know that this is center and value of c becomes, so let me say it r2. So value of r2 is going to be z square, that is minus of minus 3, means 3 square, that is 9, plus 9 square, that is 81, and minus of 26. So if I say 9 plus 81, 9 plus 81 is going to be 90, and 90 minus 26 is going to be 64. So value of R2 is going to be root over 64, and value of 64 is going to be 8. So from here we can first try to find out R1 plus R2. So value of R1 plus R2 is going to be, I think, 8 plus 5, 13. And again try to find out the distance between their centers. Let's say it's C1 and this C2. So length C1 C2, length C1 C2 is going to be, by using distance formula, it is going to be now x1 minus x2 whole square. So minus 3 minus 2 whole square means minus 5 whole square, that is 25, plus minus 9 and minus of 3 means minus of 12, and minus 12 whole square is 144. So sir, I think we feel it is going to be square root of 169, and square root of 169 is going to be 13. So sir, what happens, center with distance between their center is going to equals to r1 plus sum of their radii. So it means ki circle are touching each other. So if they are touching each other, अब क्या हो रहा है, इसको टच कर रहा है, तो सोचो नंबर ऑफ टेंजेंट कितने आएंगे ना. तो इन दैट केस नंबर ऑफ टेंजेंट इज गोइंग टू बी वन टेंजेंट, दिस वन which is passing through the intersection point, and other two tangents are going to be one tangent something like this point to this point, and second tangent is going to be this. So how many tangents we'll get? So basically we'll get 3 tangents. So which option is 3? Third option is 3. It means ki option number 3 becomes the correct answer for this question. If this is clear, so let's move to the another question. You can pause the video, see the solution, whatever you like. ओके चलो अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल which touch the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 4 equals to 0 externally and also touch the axis. The center of the circle which touch the circle externally and also touch the x-axis. So in this case we should assume, first draw करते हैं x-axis, and then it is saying कि circle which externally and also touch the x-axis. चलो, this is touching the x-axis. The circle and also another circle, and we do not know any information about this circle, but I am sure that they touch each other. Okay sir. Okay, let's see. So if it touch so this circle we can assume its coordinate of the center, that is h comma k, h comma k. because we need to find out center of these circles, no? Locus of the center of the circles. So if it is h comma k and it is touching the x-axis, so it means its perpendicular distance from the x-axis is going to be k, and that perpendicular distance is going to equals to the radius of the circle. So it means ki radius of the second circle is going to be k, yes or no? Okay sir. And the center of the second circle, so center of second circle we know ki half of the coefficient of x minus z. So in this case that is going to be 4, a negative, and similarly 4. And the radius of the circle r we can find out root over 4 square plus 4 square, that is 16 plus 16, and plus now minus of minus 4, that is plus 4. So let's calculate. So 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 4 is 36, and square root of 36 is 6. So it means the value of radius in this case is going to be r equals to 6. Okay sir. And it touches the externally. So if it touches the externally, then we can say distance between their centers are going to equals to the sum of their radii. Yes or no? So distance where they between their centers are h minus 4 whole square plus k minus 4 whole square equals to sum of the sum of their radii. So radius of this circle is going to be 6, we have find it out, and radius of the second circle, that is going to be k, and since we had square on the left hand side, so we should also square on the right hand side. So let's try to open this. So it is going to be h minus 4 square. So I think we should only solve this problem. If I bring this side, so it is going to be k plus 6 whole square minus k minus 4 whole square. Yes or no? No? Okay. Next, what's so I feel like it becomes like formula a square minus b square, and value of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So by using that application, that rule, we can say if their sum is going to be k plus k, that is twice of k, and my plus 6 minus 4 is plus 6 minus 4 plus 2 into their difference. So if I subtract k minus k, 0, and 6 minus of minus 4 means plus 4, so 6 plus 4 is going to be 10 into 10, and this is going to be h minus 4 whole square. तो locus of this point, मुझे अभी से आइडिया लग गया कि इन टू फाइंड आउट लोकस x को क्या करते हैं, तो वी शुड रिप्लेस x विद द x and h with the x and k with the y. So it is going to be x minus 4 whole square equals to, I can bring 2 common, so it is going to be 20 times y plus 2. तो बेटा ऐसा देख के किस इक्वेशन y plus 1, तो ये देख के क्या फील हो रहा है सर? ये देख के बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि ऐसा हमने बहुत बार कर चुके हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 4ay, वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 4ax, something like this. They represent the parabola. So it will represent center of this circle will represent an parabola. So which is the option number 3? So option number 3 is the correct answer. So let's again move to the next question. Oh ho ho, ओढ़ली चुनरिया तेरे नाम की. Okay, let's see. If one of the diameter of the circle given by the equations, is the chord of a circle S. First, we should try to draw the circle S. Please, okay, good. And it is saying it's a diameter. So if it has diameter, so it will pass through center, something like this. Yes or no? Okay. So this diameter, it is the chord of another circle. 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 So let me try to draw another circle. वैसे तो यार इसका कलर चेंज कर देते हैं. बाउंड्री transparent. Okay. So I think it is clear, huh? चलो देख लेते हैं. हाँ ठीक है, something like this. I think it is pretty clear. No, चलो. So it is the diameter of it is the chord of another circle. So if one of the diameter, so if it is diameter, so I think its center, no, that midpoint of the diameter we can find out. The center of this circle is going to be minus of negative half of the coefficient of x, that is minus 4 by 2, minus of minus 4 by 2, that is 2, and again y coordinate is going to be minus 3. So we get the midpoint of the diameter, and suppose the center of the circle, second circle, is somewhere here. Second circle is somewhere here. If the chord, so I think if we can join these lines, if I join these lines, so it will form a right angle triangle. It will form a right angle triangle. And if it form a right angle triangle, then I can simply say कि if this is the diameter, so diameter of this circle, so it means कि its radius we can find out. So radius कैसे find out करेंगे? बहुत ही सिंपल है, अभी बहुत बार किया है. R इक्वल्स टू रूट ओवर एफ स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर मीन्स 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 माइनस 3 स्क्वायर इज प्लस 9 and minus minus plus 12. So I think again it is going to be 5. Radius of the circle is 5. This length becomes 5. This length becomes 5. Yes or no? Okay, sir. So we need to find out the radius of the circle S. So this bigger circle, let us call S, and this smaller circle C. Okay, so we need to find out this radius. So its radius, I think it will represent by this R. R क्या होगा इसका radius? Yes or no? वो सेंटर, अच्छा सेंटर इज गिवन, सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल इज गिवन, दैट इज माइनस 3,2. आई थिंक ये तो फिर तो यार बहुत ही ईजी हो गया सर. बहुत ही ईजी कैसे हो गया? इफ दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट वी नो, so we can find out the distance between their center, center and the chord of the or diagonal, no, जो भी mid point है. तो I think we can find out this distance. So it is going to be 2 minus minus 3 means 5. 2 minus of minus 3 means 2 plus 3, 5 square, that is 25, and minus 3 minus 2 means again 25. तो I think it is going to be 5 root 2. फिर तो यार बहुत ही सिंपल है. If this is 5 root 2 and this is 5 and this is so I think the value of R is going to be we know कि by using Pythagoras theorem we can say कि root over base square plus perpendicular square, base square is 25 and perpendicular square is 5 root 2 square, that is 50. So again it is going to be root 75 and which is equals to 5 root 3. So which option is the correct answer? The option number first, that is 5 root 3. It means the first option is the correct answer. चलो अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. चलो 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 होले 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 होले. Let the orthocenter and the centroid of a triangle be रिस्पेक्टिवली. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन में क्या ही कर सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, बस ध्यान देना चाहिए. पहले तो बना लो एक लाइन. चलो भाई ऐसे लाइन नहीं बनेगी, रेड लाइन बनाते हैं. लेट्स सी, दिस इज द रेड लाइन. ओके, सो इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑर्थोसेंटर, सेंट्रॉइड and circumcenter. So do we know any relation between the orthocenter, circumcenter and centroid? Of course, centroid divide the orthocenter and circumcenter in the 2:1 into 2:1. So it means कि orthocenter, if this is the orthocenter H and coordinate of orthocenter, I think that is given. In this case it has been pointed out A. So its coordinate is minus 3,5. And let centroid be somewhere here, and centroid coordinate of centroid set B, so that is also given, that is 3,3. and the circumcenter we can find out, let's call this C, and I assume these coordinates are alpha comma beta. So if this is orthocenter, this is centroid, and this is the circumcenter, so we know centroid, let's call it centroid. It will divide Arthocenter, 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 and circumcenter, arthocenter and circumcenter into 2 ratio 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? No. So it will divide them into 2 ratio 1. So if it divides internally to in 2 ratio 1, so I think we can find out the coordinate of circumcenter. बहुत ही easy sir, by using section formula. So I know कि x coordinate 3, that is going to be 2 times alpha, 2 times alpha plus 1 times minus 3, so it means minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 3. So from here we can find out the value of alpha. How sir? 3 3 is a cross multiply 9, which is going to equals to 2 alpha minus 3, and if I bring 3 this side, so 9 plus 3, and 9 plus 3 is going to be 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6, so it means the value of alpha becomes 6. Okay sir, value of alpha becomes 6. Yes or no? Okay. So similarly again for y coordinate I would multiply, so it is going to be twice beta, and it is still 3. Twice beta plus 5 divided by 3 is also 3. So again from here twice beta plus 5 is going to be equals to 9. So I think if from here value of beta is going to be 5, this side 9 minus 5, that is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it means कि value of beta is 2. तो I think कि अब तो बहुत ही simple हो गया. तो value of this coordinate we have find out that is 6 comma 2. If this is 6 comma 2 and we are drawing a radius of the circle having the line segment AC as the diameter, so if AC becomes diameter, and we can find out the length of diameter, and then length of the radius is going to be half of the diameter, so length of the diameter is going to be AC. तो AC के लिए हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? बहुत ही सिंपल है, we will use distance formula. So by using the distance formula we can find out the value of AC as 6 minus of minus 3, that is 6 plus 3 9, 9 whole square is 81, plus 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and minus 3 whole square is going to be plus 9. So it is going to equals to root over 81 plus 9, and value of 81 plus 9 is going to be 90, and root over 90 is very simple, that is 3 root 10, 3 root 10. But wait, this is the diameter of the circle, hence the radius of the circle is going to be 3 root 10 divided by 2, 3 root 10 divided by 2. So sir, how can we simplify? No, I think it is very easy. Write down 3 as it is and bring this 2 inside the square root. So if I bring this square root inside the square root, so it is going to be to inside 4, so we'll divide it by 2. So basically we will get 3 root over 5 by 2, 3 root over 5 by 2. Is there any answer which is 3 root over 5 by 2? And answer number 3 matches. Answer number 3 matches. It means कि option 3 is going to be the correct answer. Okay, let's move to the question number 9. Hey, hey, la 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 la. Okay. So question number 9 saying कि if a circle C passing through the point 4 comma 0 touches the circle externally at 1, then the radius of this. I think yeah, no, these kind of question we had done. So try to do by yourself. चलो. I don't know if it is visible or not. चलो. We should use another color. Let me use the black. ये भी चला गया, क्या बात है. चलो. Please. Okay, so if they are touching, अरे यार इनका चलो. Okay, so they are touching. Is a circle C passing through the point, and it is saying कि circle C, let's see, this is circle C, and it is passing through 4 comma 0, which touches which touches the circle, this circle externally at point 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1. Then the radius of the circle, see yaar, I think it is very simple. So first we can find out the center of circle. So center of circle is going to be minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3, negative of the half of the coefficient of x comma negative of the half of the coefficient of y, and radius of this circle, suppose it is r, so radius of this circle is going to be r2. 2 square minus 2 square is 4 and plus 3 square is 9, and again minus minus plus 12, so I think again it is going to be 5, again it becomes 5. So this is going to be 5, radius of the circle becomes 5. तो यार आई थिंक कि ना अब तो वी शुड, इफ आई अज्यूम इट्स सेंटर इज एच कॉमा के, इफ आई अज्यूम इट्स सेंटर इज एच कॉमा के, अब यार 2-3 इक्वेशन बनाना है, बहुत ही इजीली सॉल्व कर लेंगे. कैसे सर? इफ दे आर टचिंग एक्सटर्नली इट मीन्स कि रेडियस, इफ आई अज्यूम आर, so r plus 5 is going to be equals to distance between their centers, so we'll get one equation, and second equation, that distance, that radius is going to be the distance between this point and this point ना. तो ट्राई करो, आई थिंक यू कैन डू इट ना, और इजीली हो जाएगा. लेट्स ना, ऐसे क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने कर लिए. अगले क्वेश्चन पे करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Question number 10 is two circles with equal radii are intersecting at the point 0, 1 tangent to the point. चलो ए बी इजी क्वेश्चंस है. So radius something like this. Let me mark it. इसका कलर येलो कर लो, ठीक है. ओके ओके, लेट्स सी. सो दीज पॉइंट्स आर 0, 1. एक पॉइंट कौन सा है? 0, 1, एंड बिलो पॉइंट इज 0, -1. Okay, their radii are equal. So the tangent to the point one of the circle passes through the center. So if I draw the tangent, at this point, so it will pass through the center of the other circle, other circle. And again, if I draw the tangent from this point, इस पॉइंट से टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किया, चलो कुछ गड़बड़ हो, ऐसा सोच लेना, ठीक है. सो इट विल पास थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल ऑफ अदर पॉइंट. लेट मी कॉल इट दिस C1 and C2. Then the distance between the center of this circle. So I know if they are intersecting and its radius are same, so it means if I assume this r, so this should also be r, radius of the circle. Yes or no? Okay. So I know this length, it is going to half of this length, and this total length is 2. So it means this length is of 1 unit. Yes or no? And we know this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. The two circles, center of the circle, then the distance between the centers of the circle. So if this is by using what do you say, Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, so this distance, this complete distance is going to be, if this is r and this is r, this is 90 degree, this should be r root 2. एक क्या होना चाहिए? r root 2. So if this is r root 2, so half of the r root is going to be r by root 2. Now, this distance, this is half of the r root 2, that is r by root 2. And we can again see this also forms a right angle triangle. So if this also forms a right angle triangle, it means कि we can again use the Pythagoras theorem in this small right angle triangle. तो फिर से पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या बोलेगा? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम विल से कि परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर, दैट इज 1 स्क्वायर 1 प्लस r is by root 2 whole square, that is r square by 2 is going to equals to hypotenuse square, that is r. So I think if I bring this r square this side, so 1 is going to equals to r square by 2. So value of r square is 2. It means कि value of radius is going to be root 2. Someone says कि सर -2 होगा ना, तो सोच लो कि रेडियस नेगेटिव होता है या पॉजिटिव. तो मैंने तो कभी नेगेटिव नहीं देखा. तो वी गेट द रेडियस r इक्वल्स टू रूट 2. तो आई थिंक कि ऑप्शन सेकंड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. देखा क्वेश्चंस इजी होते हैं और ड्रा करोगे तो इजीली आ जाता है. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 पे फोकस करते हैं ना, लोकस पे फोकस. सर्कल कट द कॉर्ड ऑफ द फॉर लोकस ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. चलो अच्छा ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या? अच्छा यहीं पर रिप्ले किया होगा. ओके लेट्स मूव टू अनदर. ओके अ सर्कल कट द कॉर्ड ऑफ लेंथ 4a ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस. तो बेटा पहले एक्सिस बना लेते हैं. एंड ऑन द वाई एक्सिस डिस्टेंस टू बी फ्रॉम 4a. तो इफ इट कट द कॉर्ड ऑन समथिंग लाइक दिस, तो मैं ऐसा बना लेता हूँ. ओके सर्कल इट डजंट मीन कि इट इज गोइंग टू बी एग्जैक्टली समथिंग लाइक दिस, बस नो ऐसा एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. तो आई नो कि दिस डिस्टेंस इज 4a, this distance is 4a and this chord is twice b. This chord is twice b. It isn't necessary कि it will pass through the origin, हाँ क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं है. ठीक है बट करते हैं. ठीक है then the locus of the center of the circle, so I should assume the locus of the center of the circle. no क्या होगा, that is going to be h comma k. ना मैंने ऐसे assume कर लिया h comma k. so if it is h comma k and this is the perpendicular, so if I draw, I know this is chord, so if I draw perpendicular line from the center of the circle to this line, so it will perpendicular, and if it is perpendicular so this will be a chord. और एक chord होगा इसका मतलब क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, सेंटर क्या आ जाएगा, ये जो 2b होगा इसका हाफ हाइट पे. यस और नो, अगर एक chord होगा तो ठीक है, और chord है तो इट मीन्स कि जो y कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा, y कोऑर्डिनेट इज गोइंग टू बी b बाय 2. x कोऑर्डिनेट के बारे में वी डू नॉट हैव एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन. अभी कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है क्योंकि इधर भी हो सकता है उधर भी हो सकता है. ठीक है बट हाँ इसका पता है, इससे मिडल से डालेंगे तो वो आएगा. ठीक है देन द लोकस ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ दिस सर्कल कट द कॉर्ड ऑफ लेंथ 4a. तो हम लोगों ने एज्यूम कर लिया a हो गया. ठीक है चलो एंड passes through the point on the y axis. तो दिस पॉइंट शुड बी 0, 2b ना, इससे पास कर रहा है. तो बेटा सर्कल इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल इज गोइंग टू बी अगेन इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल इज गोइंग टू बी ना दिस रेडियस. सो रेडियस इज गोइंग टू बी दिस वन, दिस लेंथ. यस और नो. तो फिर तो मुझे लगता है कि यार इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल बना लो. ठीक है इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल बना लेंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग क्या कर लेंगे ना, या तो फिर जनरल फॉर्म में एज्यूम कर लो. जनरल फॉर्म में एज्यूम करने पे क्या हो जाओ, तो इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल इज गोइंग टू बी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस जी एक्स प्लस ट्वाइस एफ वाई प्लस सी इक्वल्स टू 0 प्लस सी इक्वल्स टू 0. 3 केसेस चाहिए. तो आई थिंक कि 2 केसेस दे रहा है ना. पहला तो ए क्या कर रहा है, इट इज पासिंग थ्रू 0, 2b. So if it is passing through 0, 2b, it means कि x is going to be 0 and y equals to 2b. So it is going to be 4b square and plus 4fb plus c equals to 0 ना. एक इक्वेशन a बन जाएगा. ठीक है एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन वी नो कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 4a. सो वी नो कि इंटरसेप्ट ऑन द x एक्सिस दैट इज g स्क्वायर माइनस c twice g square root over g square minus c, that is going to be equals to 4a. that is going to be equals to 4a. तो एक रिलेशन यहाँ से मिल जाएगा, बाई स्क्वायरिंग जी स्क्वायर माइनस सी इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल्स टू 4a²। और दूसरा रिलेशन अगेन, now y intercept क्या है, y intercept is going to be 2b, so again by using y intercept that is root over f square minus c equals to 2b, twice of, so by using this we will also get the three equations। और थ्री इक्वेशन मिलने के बाद यार एक्स वाई कोऑर्डिनेट तो फिक्स हो गया, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट वेरी कर रहा है ना, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट वेरी कर रहा है, तो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट से फाइंड आउट कर लेना लोकस ऑफ इसको एच कामा के अभी एज्यूम कर लो ना, के इक्वल्स टू b/2 आया है, तो जस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड एंड इसको ट्राई करना, सॉल्व करना, आई थिंक हो जाएगा। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो सकता है बट हो जाएगा। चलो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा पैराबोला आई थिंक। ठीक है, ट्राई कर लेना, मैच कर लेना, नहीं आया तो फिर देखेंगे। द सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड्स ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट ऑफ द सर्कल। एक मिनट